it's all gonna be okay, yeah. And I know maybe I'll even laugh about it someday, but not today, no. 'Cause I don't feel so good.
Your world would be easier if I didn't come back.
That's true. But it wouldn't be my world without you in it.
I'm tangled up inside, my heart is on my sleeve. Tomorrow is a mystery to me, and it might be wonderful, it might be magical, it might be everything I've waited for, a miracle. Oh, but even if I fall in love again with someone new, it can never be the way I loved you.